thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought it'd be fun to make some custom artwork. We have so many empty walls in this apartment that we definitely need to fill. Like looking around right now, it makes me kind of sad that there's nothing on the walls, and I'm definitely planning some gallery walls in the hallway and also in the living room. And I'm pretty much making all of these projects in one day because I got something very special sent over from Cricut to get this done. So let's jump right on into it. All right, so I definitely want to hang out some artwork in the living room, and I obviously have to DIY something. So today we're gonna make some wall art, and I am very excited because I get to show you guys something super exciting. Let me just go grab it really quickly. Okay, are you ready? I get to show you guys the brand new Cricut Maker 4. Cricut just came out with their newest generation, and I get to be one of the first people to ever use this. So I am very honored. This is seriously so exciting for me, especially as someone who's been a Cricut user for like 7 years now. I can't believe I get to be one of the first people to share this with you guys. I have been dying to open this, so let's unbox her. By the time you guys see this video, this will be available in person and in stores. It comes in 2 colors for both the Maker and the Explorer. So you have Sage and Seashell, and I went with Seashell. So let's open her up. This color is beautiful. So right in the box, it comes with pretty much everything you need to get started. And with this new generation of Cricut machines, they really just wanted to set you up for success. So we have some vinyl, transfer tape, cardstock, and even their smart iron-on for you to do up to 10 projects. Ta-da! And she is ready to go. One of the biggest differences between the Maker 4 and the previous generation is that it actually cuts up to 2 times faster, which means that this project that I'm about to do is gonna go by super fast. I'm gonna hop onto Design Space and get my project loaded. I really wanna add more artwork that is either landscape or square because I have a lot of portrait pieces like the one that you guys see behind me. And when I go to do gallery walls, everything starts to look super vertical. So I wanna have some variation. So that is what we're gonna do with this project. I want to do a square piece of artwork. I found 2 pieces that I really like, so I'm gonna add it to my canvas, and we're gonna use watercolor for this project. So like I mentioned, I'm using watercolor paper and a mixed media paper, but you could definitely just use cardstock if you wanted to. The Maker 4 can be used with over 300 materials. You can even deboss leather, cut wood, and engrave metal, which is something that I really wanna try out this year. The possibilities are truly endless. I use mine all the time to make home decor, personalized gifts, and also things for myself, and of course to make custom party decorations. I have my cutouts ready to go, and this was seriously so fast to cut out. So this is actually going to go on top of my color layer, which I'm going to cut down to size. So this layer is gonna go underneath, and then we're going to basically put this on top. Gonna give it a really cool 3D effect, and you can do whatever color that you want for this. I'm gonna use a watercolor in ultramarine blue. I just really want a big pop of color, and I feel like this type of blue really does that. So I'm just gonna put it all over, and I think the more variation that you have between the paint and the water, the better. My first Cricut was actually a gift from Brian so that I could make a bunch of things for our wedding, and I remember how shocked I was when I opened that present because it was so high on my wish list. And if you've been following my channel from the very beginning, then you probably know that wedding DIYs were some of the first videos on my channel. It is kind of crazy to think that some of you guys have been following since then. And just look at how far we've come. I'm seriously so thankful for each and every single one of you guys. And if you've been eyeing Cricut, this launch is actually the best time to get one because it's priced lower than previous generations of machines. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on this. I will link the Maker 4 down below, as well as my project file and everything else I use for this project down below. So I'm not gonna lie, I miss California right now because it is so cold here. I don't know why that when we moved here, I thought the snow was over, but it definitely was not. And now it is very cold and I am just waiting for spring to come. So I thought with this piece, I would bring in some California vibes, manifest spring coming. You guys know I love making personalized art that really reflects who you are. So I feel like this piece is really going to pop, which no pun intended, because I'm actually going to draw poppies, which are the California state flower. And I also want to test using vinyl with the Maker 4 because it's one of my favorite materials to work with. So on top, I'm going to put the name of the town that we used to live in. I want this to be very text heavy, and I feel like it's going to be a really nice representation of our home away from home. Painting is one of my first loves and has always been very therapeutic for me, and I'm not gonna lie, these past few weeks have been a little bit hectic for us after the move. I've been a little bit stressed just trying to find our new normal and also making sure that the layout in this apartment works out for all the makeovers that I'm planning. So getting to sit down to do these projects is exactly what I needed right now. I saw this flower design on Pinterest and it totally inspired me, so I'm really happy with how this came out. I really love the colors, and I was deciding on the color for the vinyl, so I went for a brown just to make it really nice and neutral. And for the text, I went for a serif font for a more classic feel. The Maker 4 cut this out in record time, and my favorite part of any vinyl project is, of course, weeding everything out. I wanted the words to kind of blend in with the stem so that it wasn't too in your face. And once I got it onto the transfer tape, it was ready to become one with the painting. I love how these projects came out. I can't believe it took me just one day to make 3 pieces of artwork. My first impression on the Maker 4 is that everything was super easy to set up, and also it was very quick. Like, the last machine was very quick, but this one was even faster. Like, I would literally load the machine, press go, and then it'd be done in like a minute. And overall, I'm just really impressed with everything that they're doing to make it even more user-friendly so that really anyone can use it. This definitely is a must-have for DIYers, and if you guys want to check it out, I will have it linked down below for you. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more from me, make sure to subscribe down below or give me a follow on Instagram and TikTok. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!